Let me deal with the travel issue, on which he and his party are so much on the wrong side of the argument, refusing to take a simple measure that would help to keep Wales safe, and which is bitterly resented, by the way, in the part of Wales which he comes to the Senedd to represent, a part of Wales in which the current rate of coronavirus is below 30 per 100,000 of the population, but where his government in England allows people from Liverpool, where 800 cases per 100,000, to travel from Liverpool to Tenby and to the west of Wales to stay. Now, that is unacceptable to people in that locality, and it's unacceptable to me too. I put these points to the Prime Minister again yesterday. Once again, he refused to do the simple and the right thing. I have written to him again today. I've set out the evidence for him, which is plain for anybody to see. A member was very interested in data earlier in this session. I commend to him the data that I referred to in that letter, which will demonstrate why allowing people from high circulation areas to move to low circulation areas simply carries the virus with them. And we prevent that from happening in Wales, and the Prime Minister needs to prevent it as well. And he ought to be speaking up for the people of Wales, not for his own narrow party perspective.